Hello and welcome to TMT Stuttgart. This is a Tour 540 on a Citroen from Clever Vans. This at €58,000 is just about the cheapest van available these days new. I say just about because there's a number of companies doing it with that price range, so it's not fair to say it's the cheapest. At Dusseldorf 2020, they had something called the Sunny, under €30,000. I don't know if they actually sold any of them, or even for that matter produced any except the one that was at Dusseldorf. I do, however, happen to know that 5 of my viewers attempted to buy it, and guess what? It wasn't available. I don't see how they could even get the base vehicle for that price, never mind the rest of it. 30,000 wouldn't cover the raw materials. Anyway, that was then. That was before the price rises that we've seen recently. So anyway, the advantage of this type of vehicle is, of course, that it's got such a small footprint, and that there's going to be somebody talking, so I'm just going to show you the van. So that's kicking out time. I can stay in a bit longer and I'm going to continue filming this. So, as I said, tiny footprint, which I think is great. You've got all your facility. You've got a proper washroom, toilet, sink, etc. We've got down here, we've got a fridge, as you saw, 2 burners. There's a kitchen extension and storage all over the place, and storage under here as well. Let's have a look around the back. Fly net in the door, there you go. And coming around here, plenty of space there. This will go up, and you can, the whole thing will go up, in fact, if you need it to, and you can put a bicycle or something in there. And there you go, space for 2 full-size gas canisters in there. There's extraction fan up there. Pretty good idea. Anyway, this is a Vario Kids 600. This is a 6-meter van. It's called Vario Kids because it's meant to have more sleeping places. What this has got is 2, look at that, 2 seats up there, and this will actually turn round. That is manufactured in Łódź, Poland, the unit for that, which turns the whole thing round. Pretty good. This, by a company called Mobil. These 2 seats can be pulled apart, so you don't have to sit too close to the person sitting next to. 2 burners here, sink there, big washroom, double bed, and a single bed in bunk formation. And if I can pull this thing down here, no I can't, because I'm going to need 2 hands on both sides, so we're not going to see that. We're going to see in here, and we're going to see the Vitry Frigo 2-way fridge, tower fridge, and you've got all that down there for your bottles as well. Let's come out and get the price. I don't think I mentioned it. €68,000. Oh, he's a Vanadeo Beach. Look at 55,390 for a car. You're better off getting the first one we saw, because whereas it doesn't have a tent in the roof, it does have a kitchen and it does have a toilet as well as a kitchen. But the kitchen here is here, so you got to come out. There's your water. There's your sink. There's your fridge. And guess what's here? There is your intelligent induction cooker. And there's something to keep your food in. but if you ask me, better off getting something with a washroom and a toilet. Let's have a look at this thing here, Celebration 600, sort of classic camper van, rear bed, 6 meters long, and this thing here comes at a cost of 56,390. But it's sort of classic type look for a camper van. Does have a very nice and bright toilet though, as the first one did. There you go. It's not the first one, the second one. Another Celebration, 66,170, 6 meters long. This one sort of looks a bit different, color scheme. And here you can see, because this was moved up, you can see how much space you can get by putting the bed to one side and how the bed moves up to one side. Furthermore, this here, that will also move out. So you've got lots of space down there for carrying things should that be necessary. Right, this is the long one. It's called a Runner 636 centimeters. This has got lengthwise beds, as you can see. It could be a double bed. Down here we can get the space for the gas and come through. Fridge on the right, on the left, another nice washroom, kitchen. Can of course get with a tent in the roof. I'll give you the price. That this one is 72,170. The one we just saw, 61,000. And the tent in the roof does add a lot to the price. Lengthwise beds again, and same washroom. Okay, I think they want to close this up now, so I'm gonna go. I'll go back to the one we started at. I do appreciate a shorter vehicle, I think, because of the less space it takes up, but with all the features inside, such the washroom, etc. So, and as I said, that is amongst the cheapest camper vans on the market today. Thanks very much for watching. I upload every day, 21:15 Central European Time, 20:15 in the UK, 12:15 in California. And this is the largest channel on YouTube for camper vans and motorhomes. And I have been living in a motorhome since 2011. So it's been quite a few years now. All the best from me in Germany.